Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gamble with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I've got two pretty straightforward places that I thought I might make some suggestions. One of which is REGN, and I'm already positioned in both of these, so take that as you will. But I am looking at REGN with the idea that we've got a little bit more strength in this. You've got earnings that are due out next week, and while it's not always perfectly clean, it is nice if you can catch the pop and implied volatility and then also catch the move directionally. So if you look at some of your extensions, that should take you into about 380. So I'm long some of those calls next week, looking for one more pop, and maybe if it opens up down a little bit tomorrow, you might be able to get that on a discount. The other place that I'm looking, and this is going to be a short opportunity, or more, technically you will have bearish deltas. But more than anything, it's the idea of just looking for consolidation or a pullback. So if you've never sold naked calls on something, one way that you can kind of introduce yourself to it that tends to be a little bit more forgiving is to first choose your strike, and the ones that I've gone with are the 116s, and I've done this for next Friday, and I'll be adding them on for the Friday after as well. But you look at the idea of selling either 2 or maybe possibly 3 of the short 116 calls, then whatever credit that takes in, then you come back down in the chain and see what type, which strike you could buy where this credit would pay for the debit of the other option. This ratio spread will have unlimited risk to the upside, so be careful with that. But it's also something that as long as the entire trade goes for a credit, well, then you'll have no risk to the downside. If it trades sideways, the spread could come in nicely there as well, and it's just a chart that I think has had an excellent run, and as much as I do focus on trading with the trend, I think this would be a good place for a little bit of a pullback. So I hope that's helpful, gives you a couple ideas to focus on for tomorrow and into next week, and we will see you at the next free video.